Hey people, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. Today it's all about cleaning. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. So I'm going to use powdered soap which I've added in my basin, and I let it form. That is the duvet that I'm going to wash. Then I'm going to also add the multi-purpose soap. By the way, I'm selling this multi-purpose soap from 500 ml to 20 liters. You can make your order and I'll be able to deliver. So I put the duvet in water and I started washing using my hands. And I also used the bar soap. So if you don't have a washing machine, you can also wash using your hands. And it will be good to go. So after soaking all of the duvet and washing with my hands, I decided to press it using my legs so that the dirt can come out easily. And you can see it's coming out. I did this for about 10 minutes. And decided to transfer in this laundry basket, and this is a lifesaver because when you put the duvet inside, it drains the water. So it really helps big time. So I also stepped on it so that it can be able to remove the excess water. I'm going to repeat the same process again so that it can come out spick and span. I've added my powdered soap, liquid soap, and then I'll add again the duvet. I did that so that it will form leather first. started pressing again. And it's like exercise, so you're killing one bird with I'll transfer it again in the laundry basket. And now I'll be pressing as I rinse. As I turn, sorry for the noise in the background. And by the way, guys, I'm doing laundry, cookery, and housekeeping for my clients. If you want to be one of my clients, you can reach out, and I'll be able to do this for you at an affordable price. After that, I let it rest for about 10 minutes to drain all the water. And then I go and air it out on the sun, just the way I'm doing. You can see it's very clean. So guys, remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.